You right guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to have a little look at this Wargamer Doombox. Now this is a monthly subscription box or you can purchase it as a one-off. Now this box retails at £21.99 per month with a £4.99 postage charge, which you get the tracking service as well with that, which is pretty good. You know it's been sent and you know it's been delivered and you know if your next door neighbour has stolen your miniatures. So guys, basically this box contains science fiction models, fantasy models, possibly the odd paints and maybe some gaming aids as well. I've seen some of the past boxes, but I have no idea what's in my box. I believe this is February's box. If I'm wrong in that, I do apologise, but this is February's box and apparently it's all sold out. So, this was sent to me by Mark from Wargamer Doombox. He reached out to me, we had a good little chat over emails and we discussed a couple of things and you know, he requested that I basically do an unboxing and showcase what's in the box, which I'm happy to do that. So, let's crack on with the video. Now guys, as some of you may know, I've done the unboxings for the acid drops and stuff like that. Now, acid drop was a little love of mine for a long time, and I reckon this will be as well. So let's have a little look at what's in this. So yes, it is February's box. So here's a bit of information here. If you wish to pause this or fast forward, do it at your leisure. So there's the website there, wargamerdoombox.com, and there's the Facebook page there. Let me just mute this, I apologise. So that's that there. So we've got a lovely little sealed sticker there, so you know that it's not been tampered with before you open it. So we can rip this open. Part of me doesn't want to rip it, but unfortunately to get into the box we need to rip it. Let's rip that open there, and we've got, now I'm guessing this is going to tell us what's in the box. So we have a little peek. Oh, it does. Shall we see or shall we try and guess? Well, I have been informed that there are some historical things in here, and I'm not 100% up to date on historicals. As you do know, my viewers, you do know that I've started venturing out into the historical range. So we'll have a little look what's in the box on here. Normally I wouldn't do this, but oh, he looks quite nice, doesn't he? Normally I wouldn't do this, but on this occasion I will. So the Wargamer Doombox, February 2019. What is in the box? So we got 6 Foot Knights by Perry Miniature. Now we all know Perry. The Perry twins are excellent sculptors. They used to work for Games Workshop and now they've started their own company, and they've also worked for the likes of Warlord as well and other companies. So we've got some Landscanex Pikesman as well, they're by Warlord Game. Some Crimson Blade Leader, Chronopia, and that's out of production at the moment. We've got some 5 Goblin Spitters by Mantic Games. Never owned a Mantic model, and I've never even seen one up close and personal, to be honest, guys. So that'll be quite interesting. What else have we got? We've got a Armoured Battlesuit British Steel by West Wind Production. I'm unfortunately not heard of them, but that is a good thing about receiving this box or purchasing the box. You'll be introduced to new miniatures, a little bit like something else that's, you know, allowed us to discover new paints. So we got a Templar Grendemere, and with a heavy weapon, and that's from Warzone, and that's out of production. Now, the Warzone, I'm pretty sure I used to collect them back in 2001. Maybe incorrect there, but you know, so here's a bit of information here about the different products that we're receiving, what games you can play in, for example, Ninth Age, Kings of War, what else have we got? Dark Ender supplements. So yeah, and there's some of the websites there. Blank on the back, so that's cool. And then we've got some nice packing stuff, so I presume this is recyclable rather than bubble wrap, which is always good. And these look to be, oh, these look very nice. Let's have a little look. I always look at the heads first, guys, and I decides the quality of the product on the heads, the sculpts of the heads and the detail on the heads. So as you can see, that's by warlordgames.com. And we've got these must be the pikesmen, I believe, yes. So they actually remind me of the Empire pikesmen, which obviously, as we know, Empire probably adopted some of their things from, obviously, historical history, shall we say. So that's that, some nice things there. I'm liking these. Now, as you all know, I started doing D&D and Warhammer Fantasy Roleplay. So these could actually be used within that, because obviously both games you can sort of use whatever miniatures you want, and I think I'm going to use them, to be honest. Put them to one side. Some more packing material. And we've got these ones. Oh, what are these? These must be the Footlights by Perry. Yes. Do you want to know why I know it's by Perry? Because the Perry brothers, the Perry twins, Perry miniatures, their miniatures from appearance look a lot taller and a lot slender than compared to other manufacturers. So if you stood these against, say, for example, Empire, for example, these would appear to be a lot taller and slender. So these are very detailed as well. Look at the faces there. I can't wait to paint these. They're gonna look pretty cool. I'll have to add them to the ever-growing pile of non-painted miniatures, the plastic pile. I'm not going to say that word, plastic and you know what. But yeah, got some face guards there as well. They seem very detailed. Pop them on the front there. So yeah, I look forward to trying to paint them up and see how they look. These are small and stumpy, so these must be the Goblins by Mantic. Let's have a look on the sprue. Yes, Mantic Games, 2012. So these are fairly old sprue. But yeah, they look pretty detailed, and obviously, like I said, these can be used as Goblin crossbowmen, or, well, bowmen, should I say, for my D&D. Let's have a look at the faces. Looks alright, doesn't it? Not too bad. They sure do look like goblins, put it that way. So we'll look forward to getting them sorted. My Dungeon Master will be made up, and my Games Master as well, my GM for Warhammer Fantasy will be made up as well, to be using them. What's this now? Secret of the Third Reich. Is that the new game that's come out? Is this a new game that was on Kickstarter? Oh no, 2016. No, it mustn't be. There is a game about the Third Reich as well that's come out on Kickstarter. But yeah, this model looks pretty damn nice. We've got he looks like he's in a battle suit, and he's got like a World War II-esque helmet there, face. So it looks fairly detailed considering it's from 2006. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? Made in Britain. Oldham? Bloody hell. Didn't expect that, to be honest, yeah. So that's pretty cool. You know, practice your painting on that. Practice different colour schemes, maybe. What's this? Ooh. This will be the Goblin, no, the Crimson Blade Leader. This is out of production at the moment. Oh, sorry, I just went off camera then as I read the list. So he's out of production. I might actually use him as a Goblin champion or something. See if my DM wants to incorporate this into the game. So these were made in England, are they? I'm not too sure. Got Australia, England and USA there, but there's a bit of information about the company. It's obviously out of production, so I'm probably sure that this company's not even going anymore. But that's very good, to be honest. It's always good to have models that are no longer available. I've just went and bought a couple of commissars, metal commissars, which are out of production at the moment. Here's some bases here, nice little green bases. So I presume they're going to be for the historical range. So for the Perrys and the Warlord ones. Oh, and we've got another character. Oh, look at him. So this is by Warzone. He looks quite nice, doesn't he? Big massive gun. Part of me doesn't even want to open this, you know, guys. This feels like a piece of history right here. So we've got some more bases, that's that, and nothing else. Bit of more packaging at the bottom, so we can remove this box. So yeah, part of me doesn't actually want to open them, because they do look like they're a piece of history right there. Looking at the artwork, it looks like yeah, they are from the same company there. What does it say? Trade Target Games. Warning: contains lead and may be harmful if chewed or swallowed. Oh God, we wouldn't want that. Oh, from Liverpool. Gamecraft, Ace Garden Rome. Well, I wonder whether they're the place that made them or just sold them. So this model's from 1995, and this one was from 1997. See, I wasn't even collecting back then, guys. I started in '99. But yeah, it's always good to see old models and old production stuff. So all in all, guys, I'm happy with this. You know, it's a great way to be introduced to new models, different brands of models, and you know, if you're one of those type of people that doesn't want to commit to one brand of models, you can go out, you can subscribe to this box, get a one-off box, have a little mystery, get a bit of excitement, and basically unbox it and see how things go. So guys, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Nice one, guys. Ta.